Hi guys, I'm Ramajan K, a full stack developer. In this video, we are going to see what is Node.js. So if you are doing any work, stop that work, wear a headphone. If you're not having a headphone, go to a silent place. Then only you can able to hear my voice and you can understand that what is Node.js. No, we can see. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment. The beginner of the Node.js, when we are hearing, we think that Node.js is a backend, right? So library or the framework. When I started into Node.js, like that only I think. So that it is not a framework or library. It is a JavaScript runtime environment. It is used to run a JavaScript in or outside of a web browser. So most of the web application will be supported with JavaScript, right? So in the Node.js, it is converting that code to pure JavaScript code. The Node.js code we are converting to pure JavaScript code using that one of the library, third-party library, that is Babel. So do not worry about that. What is that Babel? So that we will see on upcoming videos. Okay. So it is built on Chrome V8 in JavaScript engine. It is one of the features, right? So then only we can able to run our JavaScript. And Node.js is a server-side application. It's true. It is a server-side application. And I added some of the key features of that Node.js. So now currently you are seeing that Node.js is a top, right? Top of web development. So front and back and why? The reason is these four key features. So first one is a JavaScript everywhere, the front and back end. So when you're thinking that Java, when using Java or Python, so first we need to write a front end code. We are writing HTML, right? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and we using that backend process. We are using Java or Python. In this case, we can make a confusion on ourselves. I faced that one when in our experience, I faced that one when I writing the code for JavaScript code. I written in our backend code also. The reason why we are doing that same thing, right? So same syntax we are using that in our backend also. Then only showing error only we understand this is not our syntax. So the front and back end we are using same language. Then it is easy, right? We do not make any mistakes on that. So that is one of the key features. And the second point is that asynchronous and event drive use a non-blocking IO operation. Okay, so what is that non-blocking? The reason we are creating an application, so 1,100 or you can mention a 50, right? 50 people asking a request to posting submitting our form. Okay, so that case we use that asynchronous and event drive. This will be make first user submitting on form details, right? So that will make us do first operation. Second, it will be second user operation it will do. That is I'm making a confusion, right? So not one. So that we'll see. So what is that? First we can see what is that asynchronous. Asynchronous is nothing but once that first request has been sent, then that next request will be called. That is that asynchronous, right? So this asynchronous that 50 users has been submitted our data. First user request has been sent, then only the next request will be sent. So at the same time we can 50 user requests we are sending to our server, it will be make a deadlock. The website has been crashed, so that will problem will make. So that is our so that the second point is very important, so that it is using Node.js that non-blocking that website crash, that will be stopped. Okay, and the next one, third point is npm. This is a main thing when I say node package manager. So if you want to install any other libraries or dependency, you can use that npm. That is very easy. Otherwise, we need to go to our particular website, download that one, and we need to upload in our project, and we need to set that link. That is too much work. And if you want to install latest version, again we need to go to the official website. But when using that npm, we can install our third party library, and using npm only we can run our application, right? So that is it. This is a main thing our Node.js is used to install our package. Without package, the Node.js will not work. For Node.js running, there are some of the packages available for running purpose. Okay. So fourth point is single thread. Single thread highly scalable. Okay. So single thread we already seen. This is asynchronous. So first request has been sent to send one. Now next request will be send, right? So the single thread, it is only a one thread, so it will be set for all that. It is converting to all thread one only, not a thread 2, thread 3 like that. It will not separately. It is not separate. It is a single thread. If 1000 requests is coming, that all are as a single thread. Okay, so that is we are saying, and multi concurrence operation we are doing, right? So one by one it will be same. And one more key features, one more thing I forgot. Node.js, once that request has been sent, first request has been sent, second request, right? It will not wait. First request finished. Once that request has been sent, then the second request also will send. So first request will be stored in our Node.js. There are one workbenches, so there it will be stored, and in that too it will be connect to our database or any other connections we are doing, right? So that will be made. So for this we are avoiding waiting, right? So that is also one of the point. I think you understand our Node.js. What is Node.js? In upcoming videos, we can see our Node.js. Upcoming videos, you can see our Node.js core features and all. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click that like button. And if you have any suggestions or anything you want to know, in comment section you can mention. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye.